Alhamdulillahi wahdahu la sharika lahu wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da. Tahajjud Salah. Tahajjud Salah of all the Nafli Salah. Tahajjud Salah holds the greatest importance and virtue. Its time commences after midnight. The Sunnah method of performing this Salah is to sleep and then awaken to perform Tahajjud. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, the most virtuous salah after the first salah is the salah of tahajjud. Tirmizi. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu reports that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, there are lofty mansions in Jannah whose inside can be seen from the outside and whose outside can be seen from the inside. A Bedouin stood up and asked, who will attend these lofty mansions? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam replied, it will be for those people whose speech is civil, who feed the poor, who constantly fast, and who perform salah at night while the rest of the world sleeps. Tirmizi. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.